Ever wondered how to revolutionize your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the top 5 kitchen gadgets that will transform your culinary game. From cutting-edge instant pots to versatile food processors, get ready to elevate your cooking experience with these must-have tools. Number 1. Instant Pot. Craving culinary magic at the touch of a button? Enter the Instant Pot, a kitchen marvel that's redefining home cooking. Picture this: tender meats succulently falling off the bone in a fraction of traditional cooking time. Its multifunctionality transforms hectic weeknight dinners into stress-free feasts. From soul-warming soups to savory stews, this modern pressure cooker does it all, with precision and flair. Health-conscious? No problem. It retains nutrients while slashing cooking time, making wholesome meals accessible on even the busiest of days. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to the ease and efficiency of the Instant Pot. It's a game changer. Number 2. KitchenAid Stand Mixer. In the heart of every baker's kitchen stands a silent sentinel of culinary prowess, the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. Its iconic design and unparalleled performance make it the undisputed champion of doughs, batters, and beyond. With its powerful motor and array of attachments, it effortlessly transforms mundane ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Whether whipping up fluffy meringues or kneading stubborn bread dough, this multitasking marvel elevates baking to an art form. Its timeless presence evokes nostalgia while embodying modern innovation. For bakers seeking perfection with every swirl and fold, the KitchenAid Stand Mixer is an indispensable ally, ensuring every creation rises to new heights. Number 3. Immersion Blender. Tired of lugging out bulky blenders for every culinary whim? Enter the Immersion Blender, the sleek superhero of the kitchen. This handheld dynamo packs power into its compact design, effortlessly transforming ingredients into silky smooth soups, velvety sauces, and luscious smoothies, all without the hassle of transferring hot liquids. Its ergonomic grip and intuitive controls put precision blending at your fingertips, while its easy cleanup saves time for more important endeavors. From gourmet chefs to amateur cooks, the Immersion Blender is the ultimate tool for culinary creativity, offering convenience, versatility, and unparalleled blending performance in a single elegant package. Number 4. Air Fryer. Craving the crispy crunch of fried favorites without the guilt? Say hello to the air fryer, the revolutionary kitchen gadget that's changing the game. This sleek powerhouse uses hot air circulation to achieve that coveted golden exterior with a fraction of the oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. From crispy fries to succulent chicken wings, it delivers the perfect crunch every time, minus the greasy aftermath. Its compact size and intuitive controls make it a must-have for busy cooks seeking convenience without sacrificing flavor. Embrace guilt-free indulgence with the air fryer, the ultimate solution for crispy cravings. Number 5. Food Processor. Looking to revolutionize your kitchen routine? Meet the food processor, the unsung hero of culinary mastery. This powerhouse appliance simplifies meal prep with its versatile functions, effortlessly tackling chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing tasks with precision and speed. Say goodbye to endless hours spent laboring over a cutting board. This gadget streamlines the process, turning tedious tasks into a breeze. From homemade dips and spreads to perfectly chopped veggies, the food processor does it all with finesse. Its compact design and array of attachments make it a must-have for any kitchen, empowering cooks to unleash their creativity and conquer recipes with ease. Thanks for tuning in to discover the ultimate kitchen companions. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary inspiration, and let us know in the comments which gadget caught your eye. Until next time, happy cooking!